everyone, we're going to graph the polar equation that is the spiral of Archimedes. It's r equals theta, and our theta is going to be greater than or equal to 0. So for tests for symmetry, if you have to do that, it's going to fail all the tests because it's a spiral. But anyway, so if we do call this test 1, 2, and 3, if I write for test 1, we set r, and we set our theta to be negative theta. And for 2, we would set our theta to be pi minus theta. And for 3, we set r replaced with negative r. None of these equations are equivalent to our original, so they all fail. So there's no symmetry on this. Therefore, we really just want to set our theta to be assign some values from 0 to 2 pi. Now this one's fairly easy. Let's go ahead and start with substituting in. So basically we have r equals theta. So you just write down what your r is. Just copy this down. And that's what we have. And if you want some values, this would be about 0.5. This is about 1.0. Excuse me, this will be about 1.6. This is pi. I'll just put 3.1 for that. And then the next one's going to be 4.7. And then 2 pi is approximately 6.3. All right, so looking at this, let's get the general idea of what the shape is. And then we can just kind of conclude it's going to go on and on forever here. So at 0, we start at 0. At pi divided by 6, that's going to, pi, remember, is 3.1. So I have this labeled by pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, and 7 pi, like that. So basically, at pi divided by 6, we're at half of 1. So it's going to be really close in here. Maybe I should just really quick do this. Just make a little dot here and then here. Pi divided by 3, we're at 1, so it's coming out a little more. At pi divided by 2, it's 1. Let's do that. So it's going around this way. At pi divided by 2, it's 1.6. At pi, we're at pi again. So this is going to just be pi. So it's coming out this way. Then I move to 3 pi divided by 2, which is about 4.7, which is a little bigger than pi, but less than 3 pi. So I'll put it about here. So it's swinging around this way. And then at 2 pi, we're at 2 pi. So it's going like this. Now, what's going to happen is on this right-hand side, every 2 pi, it's going to hit here. And on the left-hand side, it's going to hit all the odd number ones. Like that. So you can kind of just swing it around through these points. Like this. Swing it around to where it hits like this. And no, this is not the best spiral, but then it just keeps going on. And of course, these should be a little higher in here. Let's make them a little higher. Make it look a little better. All right, so there's the spiral. Let's start with one color. But that gives you an idea of what it looks like. If you want to be more precise, you can. Just going to go on and on and on like that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.